Hi, welcome back to Food Travel Shopping Channel, and you're watching a very long time that I haven't been up here with you guys. Been really missed you guys so much, but you know, life just got really hard, so it's been really hard to actually find time to actually do videos. But Zwilling had sent me a warehouse sale notice, so I went and I brought you guys with me. So I will insert a clip here a little bit. So in terms of the warehouse sales, it was about like 70% off. However, I found the deal is not like super amazing as previous. However, so I will give you a little small clips here to show you what they have. But if you're new to my channel, I do restaurant remake, where I try to recreate some of the food at the restaurant that I had at the restaurant. And sometimes I will also do unboxing with my favorite brand here, which been so long. And of course, I got a new stove piece here. And then of course, I got some other kitchen gadget here as well. So I will go through the detail with you. So I would love for you to subscribe and give me a like button if you enjoyed this video. Also, another video that I usually do is when I go out at restaurant and I'll do a review. So those are my vlogs, so check those out as well. Okay, so without further ado, let me bring you to the warehouse sale. Guys, all right, so we are here at the Zwilling warehouse sale. This is something that they usually do once a year, but because of COVID, it's been kind of like for the past 2 years, there's no warehouse sale, but actually now it's back. So I'm gonna bring you guys in and we're gonna take a look at what's the goodies. So there's the sales entry. Okay, so there's all sort of goodies. Oh, lots of knife for cheese.
Yeah.
Got some steak knife. Okay, so all the knives are additional 50% off. Oh, I see the stove. Ooh, cast iron fondue. I mean, this is an okay price, to be honest. Not like wowing me right now. Okay, so the pricing is actually not as impressive as I would have thought, but I am interested in this piece right here. I've been eyeing on this piece for the fondue. So $99, I've seen the price before in the Zwilling outlet, but they didn't have a box. So now this one have the box, and it was an open item before. So actually I might get this one. So this one I am excited for. So let me quickly unbox it with everyone. Oh wow, it's even sealed. Oh, it's brand new. Can't even open it. Okay, so I won't open it now. So this is the one that I have at home. It's a 24 centimeter. And it is a 5 quart. This one is the dark blue one. Same thing, but the price is a little bit more. So that's a $20 difference just for the color, but I probably recommend this color for $149.99. Okay, so they have a frying pan here. So this is a 30 centimeter, $99. So you do need to check on each piece because some of them is chipped. And then you also have this one right here, the round cocottes with Peggy on it. This is 28 centimeter. And that's the inside right here. This one is $229. A little bit pricey, but I think, you know, because everything has been inflated, the inflation really took a hit. So it's not as, you know, it's not as best of a value anymore, in my opinion. Now, it's hard to compare because, you know, I had purchased a lot of these during the pandemic. And it was before all the crazy inflation. So they also have a vintage saucepan. So it looks like this for $129. They also have something like this. The vintage frying pan, around 11-inch. This is the wooden handle version, so that's the vintage. So it's $129.99. Okay, there's a lot of knives here. So another knife here. These are already fixed price. Knife sharpener. This is some utensil. Utensil, $49.99 for 45 pieces. So there's another utensil here. This is 65 pieces for $69.99. So some cutting board here, $19.99. Okay, more knives here. Another set of knife here. Lots of knife sets here if you are interested in knife set. Coffee grinder, $79.99. Okay, this is the universal lid here. So that's $19.99. Swear they have a lot of knife sets. So if anyone are looking for knife set, they have some of the deals here. If you need a coffee maker, $19.99. If you need a coffee maker, $99.99 here. Okay, so that's about it in terms of everything. Okay, so welcome back here at my kitchen. I was unable to unbox this particular piece with you at the warehouse because I noticed it is completely sealed with brand new. Now this piece is my fondue. If you've been following me, I think I've mentioned that I want a fondue set for like the longest time. This price is originally $250. Now it's only $99 with a brand new box. So I was super excited. Okay, so let's go cut this open. Right here. Brand new box. I was gonna open it and check and see whether the condition of the fondue set. But because it's sealed, I was not able to do that. So let's check it out right now. Okay, wow. Interesting. So this, they don't even write Staub on it. They wrote Zwilling. That is so interesting. So it does come with a pack of 6 pieces of these forks for the fondue.
Hold on.
There's a stand here with the pot on top. Now actually, I am quite interested to see.
It doesn't say Staub at all.
Oh no, it's the Zwilling set, yeah. I thought this was Staub. Oh, what a fail. Now I'm disappointed in myself. But anyway, so, okay. I guess I just overly got excited because I saw this fondue set. Oh, interesting. Okay, so it's the Zwilling fondue set. This is cast iron. Let's look at the bottom here. Oh. Oh, so there's the where you can hold your candle, you put it on top. This is actually to control how much air that you want to have on the bottom, and then this is how you turn off the flame. So this goes on the bottom. This will go on top, like that. Just want to see where it is made. So I can't find where is it made from. I guess it might be made from China, to be honest. So yeah, a little disappointed. I guess I was manifesting, you know, like with blinders on because I want the Staub piece in it. And I swear it looks just like this. Like very similar. So I really just didn't realize that this was just the Zwilling because apparently when I went, there was some packaging. It was not the original Staub boxes. So some of them is just in a brown box now. So then I was like, oh, is this like new packaging or something? But anyway, I'm still happy to have not everything has to be Staub, okay? So I'm still happy that I have a fondue set. So then you can actually do it like this with the forks. So if you're interested to for me to do a fondue recipe, let me know, comment below, and I might be able to share that in the future. But definitely gonna try this out. This is my new toy. So let's take a look at another piece that I got, and this is definitely Zwilling. So this is actually their electric kettle. I love the glass. So this was, I believe, originally $129.99, and then now it's $69.99. So it's actually a pretty good deal. So you do have the base here with the electric kettle. So that's the base. Now there's a couple of different functions here, and one of them is actually very good for people who have family or who have babies, because you can sanitize your bottle with this function, and you just put everything into the glass kettle. Now, one thing that I really like about this glass kettle is the function on the top. So this is what really sold me. So you can open this up, and guess what? There's a little very fancy button on top. It releases the canister here that hold the tea. So you can make a pot of tea leaf, right, while it's boiling. So beside that function, now what really cool also is that they have a little fancy little plate. So then the water doesn't drip. So that's very fancy. Now, one more thing, right? A lot of these kettle, it's so hard to put your hand in and wash, right? So this one, you can actually remove this piece. So now you can actually wash this whole thing very easily. It holds 1.7 liter maximum, 14 cups, minimum 0.5 liters, okay? So minimum of 4 cups. And it is made in China, however. But yeah, I'm gonna give it a try. A lot of these electronics are made in China now. So, but I am very interested. I love the white. They do have a black version for people who want to have black, but I think it's just very nice with a white. And if you put it in your kitchen, it really have a nice contrast. So a lot of, kitchen stuff is already like in black. So I think the white is quite refreshing. So if you have any questions about this electric kettle, please do comment below and I will answer your questions. But overall, I really like the design of this and it's really nice. And this is all touch sensitive, right? So it's just all touch on the panel here. So, okay, so like I said, I share the price. This is $99.99 and this is $69.99. I also got 2 knives that was half off as well. One of them was $40, which is a chef knife. And then the other one was a prep knife, which is $45. So overall, it was a good deal in terms of the things that I got. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. I know I haven't done a kitchen unboxing with you guys for a long time. So please, if you have any questions, do comment below and catch me in the next video.